Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply HMV license in Punjab step by step. Gather documents, book your learner license slot, and schedule lessons with a certified trainer immediately. I will walk you through document verification, medical certificate requirements, fee payment, and booking the driving test. By the end, you will know where to go, what to submit, and how to pass the practical test with confidence and clear next steps. Start with the online application, fill all fields carefully, and upload scans exactly as required by the portal to avoid rejection. Choose your preferred RTO for document verification and test booking, then pay the fee online and save the receipt number. Attend the document verification appointment with originals and copies, collect your learner license if approved, and schedule practical training sessions to build competence before the driving test. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a great upgrade for busy drivers who want a cleaner car and home. It features voice control and smart mapping for effortless cleaning, and it even jokes about avoiding mud on your shoes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice regularly in a training vehicle, focusing on clutch control, gear shifts, and vehicle safety checks that examiners expect during the HMV practical test. Rehearse maneuvers like reversing, parking, and hill starts under supervision to build confidence. On test day, arrive early with originals, copies, and your receipt. Stay calm, listen carefully to instructions, and demonstrate safe driving habits to increase your chance of passing the practical HMV license exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.